April 27, New York session in a few minutes. So today is a no news day, and it's Monday, so it's better if we don't lose our ass today. Okay, so reviewing the whole thing one more time. We are all-time high. Levels daily, the 4-hour. There is not much of a 4-hour level. The daily level is the top. In terms of 4-hour, this is the only level we have. We don't have much of a level. And then this low, which we are already hitting. Don't look at 1 hour, but let's look at 1 hour because we don't have the 4-hour. So now that if we break below this area, then the next area is gonna be this guy because we don't have 4-hour. Let's just mark those. Now that we are at it, we can put a 1 hour here. And that's it. You could go to 15 minutes. For 15 minutes and the 1 hour, and then another 15 minutes, which was for that guy. That's pretty much it. So now in this panel I have 1 minute, in this panel I have 5 minutes, and then in this panel I have 15 minutes. It is a new news day, so it's gonna be a very difficult day. I may not even take any more trade. But it is bullish, so unless at the top we are distributing, this is really bullish situation. So I'm mostly looking at the 15 minutes and the 5 minutes, and occasionally if I want to execute a trade I'll look at the 1 minute. So far we have broke down below this 15 minutes level and we couldn't make it above it, so got a lot of lag. So if we want to go lower, then we have to take this low. And if we want to go higher, then we have to fail to take this low. Up to this candle, we have been accumulating to the upside. Oil is going lower. So we're in this area. We have worked this level. We have a 5-minute level. You can try it here. So it looks like we're breaking to the downside. To what extent, I don't know. So the 15-minute situation is like this. We had all-time high. We failed. Now we are going lower, maybe some of the liquidity or whatever, or testing some of these levels. So it shows more and more bearish at the moment. The movement is not that much, so far what has happened is we have tested this level and we're building up, making our way lower. So one test of this guy. We'll see if we get volatility, or this has been tested. We should drop if we want to drop. It's a 15-minute level that we're hitting now. brought us back up. Okay. Now we're on the 5-minute level. If this gets stopped out, then I'm gonna take a break for a few minutes. So this level has to be broken. Now this is a level that has to be broken. Super volatile. This level should be broken, or we're gonna go back all the way. 18 seconds. Now this level. Alright, it's good for now. So this is a very choppy situation. So better be very careful. So it looks like failed again. So left these equal lows here. Although in 5 minutes we have broken below this level, and now we are just testing this level, 400. Maybe this time we go lower. Hey man, how are you? Good, good. So I went negative a little bit, and now I had a winning trade. Went back to break even. It's probably gonna go lower, but it's just choppy. Now the 5 minute came back and tested this level. These wicks could kill you. This wick was where I got stopped. One in Asia and now two. One lose, one win. Which... yeah. No, and one in London. The London was loser. Asia was winner. And I think we are going to 2337. 337. Yeah, man. This previous low. Exactly. But anytime you would have shorted anywhere around here, it would have wicked you out. Maybe this time it goes. Because it has exactly tested this level, so there's not much work left for it to do. And now we took that out, yeah. It's a no news Monday, so my priority is not to lose too much money. Oh, you said 337, which is somewhere here. Okay, there we go. So what has happened all day? It just goes quickly wicks and then goes retraces back up by almost 50 points. So it's very difficult. Like there's no clear direction, but now we're getting direction. But it's too late already, so we're going short. So now we're gonna monitor to see if we could go long. But there is a chance that we are distributing here, because we went up and then we gave it all back. We tried one more time and we failed. So this is like head and shoulder kind of thing. We'll see, we'll see. Bro, who's the wizard? Who knew? 337. We might trade for 10. Oh, interesting. Okay. What is 337? What is the significance of it? Is it like the previous low? There's an error is on 1 hour order flow. Oh, okay. Fancy. I'm gonna send you this one. Oh, you're done with the queue. Nice. Okay. It's $100 profit. Nice. So this is called failure so far. So we'll see if we close above or below the 5-minute bodies. All those. No, these are PAs. Okay, so we close below, so we continue to go down. Can we get something like this? Yes, sir. Thank you. It was a good move. Did I miss it? Yeah. I could say I missed this one, but whatever. It's choppy. So this is one level that could push us back up, but we're not gonna long here. There's a 1 hour level below it. See how this level just pushed us back up. Usually if I just blindly go long here, I'll make some money, but I'm still observing this. That's a 15-minute level. That's a like this guy, 302. Well, that could also be just because of the round number. 375. So but usually on these 15 minutes, when you fail to close 1 minute or 5 minutes below it, you just bounce. On the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour. Say it's a 15-minute order block. Yeah, they're the same thing. Yeah. But like on this leg, the 15-minute would have been 232. So I don't know, this would have been like a higher time frame order block maybe. Yeah, I mean, there is no clear order block at 300. So, but they're all the same ideas. Oh, what a move. So now I'm gonna see how we react off of this level, which is the 5-minute level. So maybe are we testing this now? Or are we just done and we're going higher? Pretty good volatility for the London for the Monday. Insane. Okay, so we close above that 5 minutes. So now it's getting a little tricky. So is it gonna be now going down to this level, maybe testing it and then pushing higher, or are we gonna break it again? 369-ish, 370s. No, fuck. That was something, that wasn't nothing, but motherfucker. I wanted to hit 400. Because we came and kind of tested this level. Okay, now we in 5 minutes. Okay, this is another level that we are now playing with. I don't know why we are testing this level, because we tested this one more time, unless we're gonna push through it. Yeah, I had to let the thing play out. I didn't have to push it to break even. But it's a dangerous long anyway. This thing is now in a downward trend, at least in lower time frame. Unless we go above this high, at least in 1 minute, say the trend has changed. We also have these equal highs here. So in 2 minutes, we will see if we go below the 15 minutes or not. At least the previous 15-minute levels. All of a sudden it became very bullish. And from the whole levels, it's another level that has been sensitive, so we closed above that 5 minutes. Now we are testing that 5-minute level. Are we pushing high? So close below these 15-minute levels. It's rejected by this one. I'm looking to see if we are starting to close below this 5-minute level, or are we just testing it to go higher? But we probably are testing it to go higher above this area. These levels are what are pushing us down for now. So had I entered on the close of these candles, I would have been stopped out now. So we took out that high. This is 1 minute level. This is why I look at 1 minute right now. So that would have been a test of some level. So oil is going dropping, so this thing probably is going to go higher now. Another 1 minute, see if it closes above this area, which I think it does. Let's go to 5 minutes on this one. More clean. Not for today, but now just watching and supporting the young trade. Thanks, man. Oh, you sent another one. Jesus Christ, nice. Good job, man, good job. Proud of you. Wow. Good. Bro, if you just don't have one of those bad 1 day huge things, you're gonna go to payout in less than 2 months. And I'm not jinxing, I'm knocking the wood. Mashallah, inshallah, whatever. But I think you're getting good at it. I mean, you're not having those days. I mean, you usually are able to just close the charts. Yeah, something like that. Or no more 2 trades in a row, like immediately. Like something, some protocol like that. Okay, so this is now breaking down, so it's a very difficult day. From that 5 minute level and this 5 minute level. Now the last line of defense is this level, whether we're gonna break below it or not. And 1 minute we could still go. I should probably avoid looking at other stuff like oil or whatever. So this level is now pushing us, like keeping us from going higher, but we created a low and now we are creating another high above that level. Trend is still to the downside on this low time frame leg. The 500, I can make it back next. Yeah, but yeah, exactly. Yeah, so long as what I found for myself is so long as I don't let it get out of hand, like the way I trade, I should not have a $600, $700 losing days because my wins are $100, $80. This method. So I should not give back like 10 days worth of trade. You're the master of this. Yeah. Stop making fun of me. Where did I come from? Okay. Thanks, man. Yeah, with those other accounts I showed you, those ones are pretty amazing. Like I've done that with 1 or 2 micros. Even these ones, although I'm not progressing much, but still I keep them. Yeah, man. Yeah, thanks. Okay, so now we're breaking down. However, slowly. This is that line of defense for going higher. What's wrong with me? I'm so kind to them. I know, uncharacteristically. Yeah, could have been that one. Yeah, I could have taken 2. You're uncharacteristically. No, but you're supportive generally. I mean, so long as I don't go on your nerve on certain topics, you're pretty good. Like, I could be pretty disturbing at times, I understand. Okay, so we went down of that one. We'll see if this has follow through or no. We're gonna come back. Close to these levels. We'll see. These levels are the trouble. Push us back up a little bit. Now, next move, if you're not gonna stop us out, the next move we're gonna go below. Looks like we're getting stopped out, yep. Choppy. Good, man. Wow, 580, 215, nice. Bro, what do you have? I have 2 monitors. It's enough for me. This is really, really shitty price action at this level. Stop getting involved. Nice. Oh, I don't have a PC, I have a laptop and it has only one HDMI output. That sucks. I have a MacBook that has like multiple, but then it gets very hot when I connect it to multiple monitors. I don't know why. It's an old MacBook. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, but it's not going up $100, $200 a day, so we're gonna go all the way. Okay, now we're breaking down these levels. See if we test and then we drop. Or whether it's gonna fuck us up again. That's a test. If it wants to drop, it should drop now. If this one goes above this level, I'll close it. 370. Yeah, this is not working. Another test. Maybe testing this level. That's not the level. I've been a level 15 minutes. Yeah, this 15 minutes was tested again. This could have been the test. Okay. This move is going to be a big one. If it moves, it goes back up, then that's it. See if this 1 minute closes below. Nope. So I'm gonna wait to see. Why did you decide to go short? Structures to the downside, and we are respecting these levels and breaking down. So I think short is still a viable option. It's just not having a follow through, but it will eventually do, I think. I'll keep this one, we'll see. I just need this 1 minute to close somewhere here. That's all I need. That will be confirmation of the move, but we don't have much of a follow through yet. Okay, if this gets us stopped out, then I'll wait for a while before I take any trades. So I'm just losing money on the choppiness. Yeah, it is going higher. Seems, unless we are lucky. If we get a move down, it's gonna be a big one, but we'll see. It's really choppy. Just not sure what is keeping it from falling. If it not moves, then I'm gonna close it. Yeah, it's fine. So I'll not take any trade now, I'll wait for a different situation. So we have this high, the failure to take the high, but we're having failure to take this low either, but we're making the train line liquidity type of thing. It's not moving. When it's not moving, then it means probably we want to go up, do something before moving lower, if we want to move lower. Exactly. Exactly. That's the problem. Yeah, so this is a very congested situation. I just took a couple of trades that didn't work. That's fine. I may take one more trade and that's it. But not now, after we get more clarity. So that was the move I was hoping to get, but we'll see. Yeah. But it's all wiki, so that's the problem. This doesn't have any much follow through. So the short idea was correct. It just got chopped out and got scared. But it's not having follow through. So this is not a good trading situation. Yeah, now it gives all of it back, and now we're gonna go. If I had a trade like the other one, I closed it right at this level. Otherwise, I would have got stopped out because my stop loss would have been break even. I would have got stopped out probably. I'm guessing at some point we start expanding. It's not yet. Maybe around 11 o'clock. You see, we have no follow through. We give all of it back. In 1 minute, after all this shit here, are we gonna go close above this level? If we close above the which we did, so in 5 minutes this kind of shows move to the up. Basically a failure. There we go. That was a move up. It's just kind of choppy situation to commit to these kind of ideas. Yeah, maybe the volume might be low. I don't know about the volume of the trade today, but it's shit price action. I mean, if you look at the 15 minutes, man, this is a 15 minutes for the last hour since 8:30. Last 2 hours. No body, a small body, medium body, long wick. Now even that one you could have gone long, right? That around that idea that I said, failure swing, would have gone up there. You would have entered somewhere here, and then when we were up there, you would have put stop to break even, and now you would have been stopped and break even. So at every moment, it seems right now that it goes up 20, 30 handles up and down, and it comes back to where it started. So that's why the situation is not easy. So we gotta wait to see if we can get a direction. Right now there is not much direction, slight move lower, but this is pretty bad. Go for today. Yeah, maybe one more trade if I get some good situation, but not gonna push it. And it's Monday, so I don't necessarily need to go break even either. Yeah, I probably will just leave it. Oil is also chopping around in this area. Now this 15 minutes, if we go up above this level, it's the previous body close. So this would be a reasonable reason to go long, probably. So we respect this level in 5 minutes. Test it a few times. We try to go down. We get rejected from this level. No clarity, so we're just gonna leave it. Okay, so we are starting to break down below these levels. So no trade until we get out of this congestion. This is another failure. So 15 minutes we did not close above is still feeling I don't know which I should do. Go down. Man, I woke up at 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's pretty pathetic. I'll do what you suggest, it's your chance. Yeah, Diana. Bite her also from the cheek. Go bug her a little bit. And bug her a little bit for me too. You see, I never know about with you. I never know if like you're, you know, you're serious when you're sympathizing or you're just making fun, making fool of me or whatever. Like I never know. All right, man, you go. I promise I won't blow up this account. If I blow, I'll send you a picture, a snapshot of the accounts, but I don't think I will do that. There is nothing to trade, so you will know either way whether I blow up or I made any trade. Right now I'm close to minus 200. Okay, man. Bye. Yeah, probably I'm not gonna take any trades, so let's just leave it here.